Maple Systems thanks you for joining us. Please make sure to have EasyBuilder Pro version 6.06.01 or later. In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace EasyPrinter with FTP. Please also install FileZilla Server, which is the hosting FTP server for this video. FileZilla is a free FTP solution. Open the configuration window and change to the user's page. Add a user to allow the HMI to connect to the FTP server. Set the directory you would like to share as an FTP directory. Assign the user permission for this repository. EasyBuilder Pro settings. The CMT and CMTX series now supports FTP. Configure FTP connection parameters in System Settings. Enter FTP server's IP address or domain name and its port number. Enter FTP server's username and password. Choose the naming convention for HMI folder. Add an ASCII object and select the system tag LW9032 folder name. Screenshots can be transferred to an FTP server on PC by using a function key. Select the screen hard copy output to FTP and set the function key as the FTP path. Screenshots can be transferred to an FTP server on PC by using a combo button action as well. Add a combo button to trigger the screen hard copy action. Select the screen hard copy output to FTP and set action as FTP path. Screenshots can be transferred to an FTP server on PC by using PLC control. Select the screen hard copy output to FTP and set PLC control as FTP path. Add a toggle switch to trigger PLC control. Historical data files can be transferred to an FTP server on PC. Enable Operation Log to create a historical data file. Add a backup object to transfer the operation log to FTP server. Select the backup output to FTP and set backup as FTP path. Run online simulation. Type in demo as the folder name. Trigger the screen hard copy by function key. Trigger the screen hard copy action by combo button. Trigger the screen hard copy by PLC control. Back up the historical data file. The files will be saved to specified path / folder name. Thank you for watching.